SVC Service Properties Trust. General overview and trend. Service Properties Trust has shown moderate volatility over the past 3 months, starting from 2.38 and closing at 2.875 on September 5th. The stock reached a peak of 3.075 on July 23rd before experiencing a pullback. The overall trend appears to be moderately bullish, as the stock is currently trading above its starting point and has maintained levels above key support areas. The price action suggests a gradual upward trend with periods of consolidation, indicating steady accumulation by investors. Price volume patterns reveal several spikes in trading activity, particularly on July 22nd, when over 3.9 million shares were traded. The high-volume days often coincided with significant price movements, suggesting that institutional interest has been present at key levels. In recent sessions, volume has decreased to around 857.390 shares on September 5th, indicating reduced participation as the price consolidates. The price-volume relationship shows that upward moves have generally been accompanied by higher volume, confirming the bullish bias, while downward moves have often occurred on lower volume, suggesting lack of strong selling pressure. Moving averages, EMA and SMA. The short-term moving averages, SMA 5 at 2,741 and EMA 5 at 2,772.4, are positioned below the current price, indicating recent bullish momentum. The medium-term averages, SMA 20 at 2,625.2 and EMA 20 at 2,688.1, are also below the current price, supporting the intermediate-term uptrend. The longer-term averages, SMA 200 at 2,519.8 and EMA 200 at 2,532.4, are below the current price, suggesting a long-term bullish trend. The EMAs are generally positioned above their corresponding SMAs, indicating some underlying strength in the trend. Technical indicators. The technical indicators present a moderately bullish picture for SVC. The VWAP at 2,541 is below the current price, indicating that the stock is trading above its average price for the period, which is typically bullish. The positioning of EMAs above SMAs across multiple timeframes suggests sustained buying pressure. The price trading above most key moving averages indicates underlying strength. The moderate distance between shorter and longer-term moving averages suggests steady momentum rather than explosive growth. P. Linear regression. The linear regression trend for SVC shows a gradual upward trajectory over the 3-month period. The slope of the regression line is positive but relatively moderate, indicating steady bullish momentum. The current price is trading above the regression line, suggesting that the stock is performing better than its statistical trend. The standard deviation bands around the regression line show moderate volatility, with the price staying within normal bounds for most of the period. Opening price prediction for the next trading day. Based on the current technical indicators and price action, the opening price for the next trading day is likely to be around 2.88 to 2.92. This prediction considers the recent closing price of 2.875, the bullish momentum indicated by the EMAs, and the overall upward trend. The slight gap up would be consistent with the recent price behavior and the current positioning of the moving averages. Support and resistance analysis. Key resistance levels are identified at 2.95 recent high, 3.075 July peak, and 3.20 psychological level. Support levels are found at 2.75, recent low, 2.60, psychological level, and 2.40, previous consolidation area. The current price of 2,875 is positioned closer to the immediate resistance level at 2,950, suggesting a slightly bullish short-term stance. The distance to the nearest resistance at 2,950 is approximately 2.6%, while the distance to the nearest support at 2,775 is about 4.3%. This positioning suggests that the stock has slightly more room to the upside before encountering significant resistance. Intraday ATR 14 values and potential high-low values. The ATR 14 value indicates moderate volatility in SVC, with an average daily range of approximately 0.10 to 0.15. Based on this, the potential high for the next trading day could be around 3,025, current close plus ATR, while the potential low could be around 2,725, current close minus ATR. This moderate range reflects the stock's relatively stable nature and suggests that intraday traders should expect normal price fluctuations. Possible scenarios. In a bullish scenario, SVC could break above the 2.95 resistance level and target the 3.075 July peak, with further upside potential toward the 3.20 psychological level. This scenario would likely be accompanied by increasing volume and confirmation from technical indicators. In a bearish scenario, the stock could break below the 2.75 support level and target the 2.60 psychological level, with further downside potential toward the 2.40 support. A neutral scenario would involve continued consolidation between 2.75 and 2.95 as the market awaits a catalyst for a directional move. Conclusion: Service Properties Trust has demonstrated a moderate bullish trend over the past 3 months, with steady price appreciation and generally increasing volume during upward moves. The technical indicators support the bullish outlook, with the stock trading above key moving averages and showing signs of sustained strength. The stock appears to be in a gradual uptrend, with periods of consolidation, suggesting steady accumulation by investors. Traders should watch for a break above the 2.95 resistance level as a signal for potential upside momentum, while a break below 2.75 would indicate increasing bearish pressure. Given the stock's relatively stable nature, it may be suitable for more conservative trading strategies with appropriate risk management.